hari Apex TV amazina ma Entire DB the entertainer of course tya henyini ha Lake View of course a show ya Nikiri Kembo. Yes of course majeta omutaka tumumanyire twashire wa henyini avenue of course kuleta updates zone zirionze geno misho ha henyini ha Lake View right now na afuna bataka. Yes bashire of course so kwantu gambana mba tugambira to expecting echi niche kijonjije na bukimwe cyono of course right our side yanje ndeba ho MC Kacheche I see Nikiri Kembo Patra Jonas hamwe na band of course tutandishire wa Kacheche. How are you boss?
I'm okay bro no gamba
tugamba munyankore yes
no gamba
bakwe right now bari mbakuleba
Mbakure
yes
amazina na MC Kasheshe Mbayara boy to the world straight.
Hiya pass what should we expect today? Muri prepared like how?
Tuli prepared nyo tuli tuenda kwa mwana wetu Nikiri Kembo.
Okay.
Nikiri Kembo no mombo jo atiro music iti ya Western Age akozele binji mnonga takozele music wenga konka kozele bintu binji. He has done comedy, he has done music, so tuine kumusupporting abako akuriye mnonga Western music age kandi tukakata wankitwe abana wenyebijuza kwe supportinga Nikiri Kembo tuje supporting abana binji na Nikiri no mwana wetu ni chari wetu kandi no mwana down to earth akunda.
Will you perform tonight?
Of course, niza kubandia among the MCs tonight.
Okay.
Actual official MC.
Okay. What should we expect from one MC Kacheche?
Of course, MC Kacheche abenje aba twene bamureba stage zone nani bamanya MC Kacheche ari ya stage kibakikindi.
Okay.
Tokaba board no kushemerwa no kunyemerwa twene ba DJ barungi abeshongo twene bingi entertainment full squad.
Okay.
Twene abana bitu ba barungi bakuza kushenza unique niki n'abandi bakunda munonga.
Okay.
Abeshongo zashize bona biza kuja bamahagire tina bagaye mazina nkono bari munene wa Western nako bari ya.
Okay.
Of course n'abana kuza kuga Kampala bakunda kumuhagiraho abakumukuna Nikiri.
Okay.
Abaku believe ngo Nikiri so ntantushaba tumumba ryo ko muje muhagire Nikiri Kembo. This is our boy no mwana witu.
Thank you so much mbamweta MC Kacheche omwe omba MCs actually tonight yanja ngono official MC. Yes of course on my side hariho Nikiri Kembo the man na kwakira mnyano wanje
ninye nakira
energy nga mutono
energy yo mwana wa mama manyi ibintu byakuyiriba no kimanya niwe
to expecting echi kugwa Nikiri tonight
nerizoba ekiro kirizoba ningira it will be one of the recorded history expecting tonight buri kimwe cyone kirizoba ekirabe herizoba abarishe they will be the best, they will get the best performances, the best entertainment all over. You understand?
Stware entrance fee bichibyona.
Yes, entrance fee it is just as usual no mtwaro gumegonka. VIP ne mtware 5 emeza ne mtware 5 na million em. Yes. So nukwishira kityo bacha interest na
bantu tuhereze makapera ko mutaka by the way.
Otabesiga bijwire nkwe binobuya. Iyo kokuri amativa kubyamba balala ni batoroga.
Yes, I want to talk to Patra one. Yes of course tugambire hamwe na Jonas of course ba yes ba promoters aba promoting je kintu to expecting it ba promoters mu prepare like how
ekintu tuine kukitera izoba. It's the final day. You ni nyetabona bali okwe bije bahagiro mojo witu Nikiri Kembo cause nyowenga Jonas Pro ni supporting a Western music mnonga and we want to promote Western music to the world.
Okay.
So
thank you so much mamweta Jonas Pro. Hey Patra wow of course na mpora yes Nikki Kacheche again on your side to call those people your fans support our brother baite nebigambo byona byo yagara okuyisa to your fans.
Abantu 20 bagambira tukubetera izoba 20 posting za Facebook za Instagram twetya NBC twetya za buramona tubiro mza Desert Vegas Soho buramona tuturabiro bantu moswano mambo uri murimbara ninga turi murimbara omuno tureba Facebook live ningo lya Apex TV omuno tureba bambe munwanu witu muje mutagire Nikiri Kembo MC Kacheche ruho Nikiri Kembo ruho MC Kapare comedian ruho Might Family baruho Martin ruho Tipwa ruho Van Allen ruho abeshongoze bingi munonga so muje mu expecting a full packed up show muje muhagira abana bitu guys.
Thank you so much Patra promotions to expecting it kurgo wawe
webale mnonga ninja
sound yes
nto expecting kugira ngo abantu baza kwija bingi ba supporting western music twine abeshongozi bingi ba western twine ba comedians twine ba MCs bingi
okay tables by the way tugamira muzinga
tables twine 25 ya yemitwala 5 na ne ya million
okay
yes
zininga zabire sold out ngiza munywano witu iza last time
no some are already sold out but we still have more. We have more because we expect more people nti abinji abamwe bazagurana na interest abamwe ba bookingire.
Wow.
Yes.
You are last words to your fans abo kucyo kwagambira cyona bete no kubeta for the show.
Ekintu ni kimwe cyonka nimba shaba kanimbe shengereza mureke twizele view. Let us make it happen to the world so that we can make people know that we have that ability, we strong as we to encourage western ante kintu ntubasa kukikora tukitere shayi 12 ni manyanga abantu bakuba bizwirele kevyo sombwe ne cyendo cyere ofuna katebe kawe ochero ofuna katebe kawe shitame you enjoy the show shayi 12 watu atandikira itwe.
Thank you so much Mamweta Nikiri Kembo. Of course tonight we just supporting umwana witu wa Western Uganda Maita ADB the entertain of course rwa okoreke byo mjendo mission right now venue sound asset njirwe na bukimwe cyona I think bari magaruka mu kutereza bukimwe cyona kijyo mjendo mission henyini a Lake View mnyona wanje Conrad no yari ya camera of course henyini Apex TV ni kunda kimwe ni kusimira kimwe nibindi nza kubantu kukuretera hari shaha zinga 12 kubyagambira henyini Apex TV ADB the entertainer. See you.
No chiro kashish ubuzwana bw'urubyonsi uboneye bawe ubata umuhanda w'urugendo. You dream to be a star, you want to be a star. Urwana amasheja hazatoba ayenge byamane hazakora. Run for your future, run for your glad. Ebyenso bisigaho ufayo hazakora. Run for your future, run for your gratitude. Ebyenso bisigaho ufayo hazakora. Show no rugendo. Uyomera abo mu rugendo. Show no rugendo. Uyomera abo mu rugendo. Ora biro mu bintu by'amano uri gukora n'amani. Odine wasi obuhambuzo bufuna. Show abatesi bakeka. Kora n'ibintu byazungurwa. Aziwe yikikana. Osajya mu guteka. Show azaniwe yimuka. Nabakoine utanichota kuhekora mpora. Tuiza kuzifuna kuzalenda. Roma nitatera esikuchiweke. Show no rugendo. Uyumena abo mu rugendo. Show no rugendo. Uyumena abo mu rugendo. Ishate wale mwanyuma. Your time is out. Obile waweni womu. Mawekaze shogora. Mukama mufati wechisa. Abana wabasigaho. Obusasi n'obwami. Show. No rugendo. Uyomera abo mu rugendo. Show. No rugendo. Uyomera abo mu rugendo. Malaika zeshongora. Mukama mukwati wekisa. Abana obasigaho. Obusasi n'obw'amaani. No Rodi selecta atandike otamwesiga bijwire mpebino wanji thank you papa, thank you so much my brother. Yeah mama sure thank you wanji otamwesiga bijwire mpebino I next to be by the electronics. I next to be a little later.